Hey little superstars. Today we're going to draw someone who's super fast, super fun, and super adorable. It's not just Sonic, it's baby Sonic. He's tiny, cheeky, and full of zoom, and we're going to bring him to life with our colors. Let's go. Let's start with his zigzag hair. Make fun curves, just like lightning bolts. Now, draw one ear, just like a little triangle. Pointy and fun. Time to draw his mouth area. Use soft curvy lines, like a gentle smile. Next, let's draw his big round eyes. Start with the right one, then the left. Inside each round eye, draw an oval. This is where Sonic's sparkle lives. Now look, his face is taking shape. You can now add his other ear, another triangle. Let's draw his tiny nose, right in the middle, between the eyes and just above the mouth. Grab your black and green colors, it's time to complete those Sonic eyes. Now draw his round little tummy, his legs and hands. Forget his giant Sonic shoes. Make them oval-shaped, with a white stripe, just like his real ones. And of course, draw his cute little tail at the back. Now let's thicken the outline. This makes Sonic pop out like a real hero. Ready to color? Grab your paintbrush and let's go. Use blue for his fur, beige for his face and tummy, and red for his shoes. We forgot his cute, naughty little smile. And Ta-da! Your baby Sonic is ready to zoom through the world. Let me know if you love drawing Sonic, and don't forget to like and subscribe.